Hi, welcome to Jaxonbilt Hat Company workshop, and this one's taking part in the 38th Elko Cowboy Poetry Gathering, and we've been coming back here for 18 years now and putting a school on. We're every second year, we don't come every year, and it's a roaring success. It's late in the afternoon, and we've still got students here, but we've come from Salmon in Idaho, and that's our home base. And would you like to tell everybody a little bit about how awesome we are?
Yeah, my name is Amanda Iveson, and I work for Jaxonbilt Hat Company. And this class has been great. All the students, I feel, have been in sync with each other and staying caught up. As far as each step has gone, it takes us about 3 days to get through building the hat. And these students have put in longer hours than just 8 hours per day.
Absolutely, yeah, for sure. And we're a full custom shop, so we build everything from scratch and by hand, and we use wooden tools that they did like from the 1800s. And it's not for everybody. It's not as easy as one would think. It's not just a matter of throwing some stuff together, going roping a beaver and stuff like that. But it is, yeah, it's definitely a process, and it usually takes us to build one hat. It usually takes 2 days if you're working on it constantly, and
you have the proper tools. And all these folks here, they're building them completely by hand, all their stitching and all.
Yeah. And we became, it's such a popular thing, and hats really haven't changed a hell of a lot over the time. From when I first started wearing hats when I was little, and even now, 120 years later, we're still basically wearing the same styles. And the width of the brim is definitely something that changes and comes in and out of style. So that's the biggest thing, I think. But we don't only build cowboy hats. We specialize in all hats. So yeah, it's we've got like Kentucky Derby hats. We've done some of them before. We've got some bowlers and some fedoras here, and some different styles. And yeah, we'd love it if everybody would swing by or sign up for the course next time we have it. It is a lot of fun, and everybody's great. We've never had a crappy class.
No, and we encourage visitors, if they'd like to come in and take a look at the selection of hats we have, or just watch our students, maybe they'd be interested in taking the class one year. So it would be great to have them come in and meet people, check it out.
Yeah.